Then she remembered that she would be late for school. So she said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." "Do you go to school every day?" "Yes," said Haldi. "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. On Saturdays, I play games at school." "What do you do in school?" asked the giraffe. "I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds, and the animals." "That is good," said the giraffe. "I love books too. They are lots of fun. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school." Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. "Oh," Haldi thought, "what a wonderful adventure I have had." New words: giraffe, surprised, adventure, wonderful, playground.